All right, I'm back. Morning Maple mind exercising while Maple comes on stream and just starts talking about hypothetical stuff. He does that in the morning. That's very true and accurate. He's definitely a morning person. And I am definitely not. Nope. That's not for me. What do I need a porta potty for? Ooh, that did such a good job. My plates are so heavy. I love it. I love it. Okay, so we're gonna do, it's gonna be a little bit of a process because I want to, should we bake the tofu or should I fry it? What do you think? Baked or fried?
You're asking me?
Yeah. Fried? Okay. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a cutting board. That's it. Fried. Everyone says fried. You got a shovel, right? There's your camping bathroom. Hey. Just bear shit in the woods. That's it. That's the whole question. That's it. That's all I got. Okay. I'm gonna do a large wok. Oh shit. I need to make rice. Okay, I'm gonna make rice. I swear, I'm not gonna forget. What is happening? Things and stuff, probably. The usual. The usual, just things and stuff and junk. Okay, rice. Stop what you're doing. Make some rice. Don't let this go on any longer.